Have a wonderful morning, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying school from home program. Open page 24. Building blocks. Use of A and N. Students, I know this topic you have already done in your previous class. So let's revise again. Do you remember the alphabet song that you have learnt when you were much younger? Let us sing it once more. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? So student, listen carefully. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 are vowels or magic letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest others are consonant. Students, one thing you have to check, when a word begins with a vowel, we write and before it. See some examples on page 25. First is ant. A is a vowel, so we write and before it. Owl. O is a vowel, so we have written here an. When a word starts with consonant, we write A before it. See, frog. F is a consonant, so we have written here A. Butterfly. B is a consonant, so we write A before it. Come on page 26. Write A or an before the words given below. See A. Aeroplane. A is vowel, we use here an. B. Ice cream. In this word, the ice cream starts from I, so we use and before it. C. Orange. It starts from O, so we use here an. So students, in this way you have to complete. Let's try 6. Page 27. Read the words. Underline 10 words for which you would use an. One has been done for you. So students, you have to underline those words. The word which starts from vowel A, E, I, O, U. See, first is oak. It starts from O na. That's why we have underlined it. Now second is rug. Now tell me, R is a vowel? No, R is not a vowel. R is a consonant, so we don't underline it. Same X. It starts from A, vowel. So we will underline this word. Like this you have to complete. Let's try 7. The Mehta family is going on dash picnic. So P is a consonant. So we'll write here A. Pick a picnic to the park. Mother packs dash apple. So A is a vowel. We will write here an. Mother packs an apple for Shyam. Dash mango. M is a consonant. We write here A. A mango for Ritu. A bottle of lemonade for C. B. B is a consonant. We write here A. So in this way, by using A or an, you have to complete the story. So students, let's revise A and N through an activity. These are vowels A, E, I, O, U, and these are 2 cups of A and N, and these are slips. We will put these slips in correct cup. So see here, first slip is ox. O is a vowel sound, so we will put in an cup. Similarly, second slip, card. Tell me, C is a vowel or consonant? It is a consonant, so we will put this in a cup. Similarly, doll. Doll is a consonant, we will put in A. Ostrich. See, ostrich is here, so it is a vowel sound. We will put in an. Book. We'll put in A. Pen. It is a consonant sound, so we will put in A cup. Apple. So apple is here, it is a vowel, so we will put in an cup. So students, I hope you all have understood the topic of A and N. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.